at the brush and paint machine so I can breathe with you. The gravel spikes your feet, the cloth rubs on your knees. So darling, when the rain comes crashing in, I'll be right here and listen to you sing. Shout to me what they made you out to be. Burst the glass and start to scream so I can shout with you. Cry to me rivers that will raise the sea, creeks of pain and apathy, so I can cry with you. Oh, the gravel spikes your feet, the glove rubs on your knees. So darling, when you're deafened by the noise, I'll be right here and listen to your voice. The gravel left behind, no cloth for better times. So darling, when there's nothing left to say, I'll still be here for you along the way. I'll still be here for you along the way. I'll still be here for you along the way. I'll still be here for you. I'll still be here for you. I'll still be here for you along your way.
Most days I can barely leave my bed, 'cause someone lives rent free inside my head. I say I'm not okay, I'm terrified when I go to sleep, when I close my eyes. What the hell am I supposed to do?